Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is it just me, or does it feel like our paychecks are playing a game of hide-and-seek with our bank accounts? 1 minute they're there, the next gone. If you're tired of wondering where all your money went by the end of the month, you've come to the right place. Today I'm cutting through the noise and giving you 5 no-nonsense, genuinely effective money-saving hacks that will actually make a difference in 2025. These are aren't your grandma's just stop buying lattes tips. These are modern tech-savvy strategies that are easy to implement and can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars. So grab a notebook, or just get ready to screenshot, because we're about to supercharge your savings. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about hack number 1, mastering the art of price matching with apps. You've probably seen these apps advertised, but are you actually using them to their full potential? Think of apps like PriceGrabber or even the built-in features on retailer apps like Target and Best Buy. Here's the pro move for 2025. Before you buy anything, and I mean anything, take 30 seconds to scan the barcode with one of these apps. It instantly compares prices across dozens of online and local retailers. A quick scan showed a competitor had them on sale for $150. I showed the cashier the app, and boom, they matched the price on the spot. It's free money, people, and you're leaving it on the table if you're not doing this. Hack number 2 is all about strategic cashback. Forget the 1% cashback you get from your old debit card. We need to level up. The strategy for 2025 is to stack your rewards. This means using a combination of a high-yield cashback credit card and a cashback portal or app like Rakuten or Honey. Here's how the stack works. First, you open the Rakuten app on your phone or computer. Then, when you check out on the Nike website, you pay with your cashback credit card that gives you, for example, an additional 2% back on all purchases. You're not just getting 8% or 2% back. You're getting a total of 10% back on your purchase. Effectively, this stacking method turns every shopping trip into a major savings event. It's the closest thing to getting paid to shop. Streaming services, software, gym memberships, meal kits. That app you downloaded for a free trial 2 years ago and forgot about. They are silent killers of your budget. Here's your mission. Once a quarter, set aside 30 minutes. Go through your bank and credit card statements line by line. I want you to look for any recurring charge. For each one, ask yourself 3 questions. 1. Do I use this regularly? 2. Does it still bring me value? 3. Is there a cheaper or free alternative? Be brutally honest. That music service you haven't opened in months, cancel it. The premium version of that photo editing app you used once, downgrade to free. Services like Trim or Truebill can even help automate this by finding and canceling subscriptions for you. I personally did this last month and found I was spending over $60 on services I completely forgot about. That's over $700 a year back in my pocket. It's time to cut the digital clutter and stop the slow bleed. Hack number 4 is a classic, but with a modern twist: timing your grocery shopping. Most of us just go to the grocery store whenever it's convenient or when the fridge is empty. That's a rookie mistake. In 2025, the secret is to know your store's markdown schedule. Most grocery stores have a predictable routine for marking down items that are nearing their expiration date, like meat, bakery goods, and produce. Talk to the employees in those departments. Ask them, hey, when do you guys usually put out the discounted items? Often it's early in the morning or late in the evening. You can find perfectly good food for 30, 50, even 75% off. And here's the tech twist. Use apps like FlashFood, which partner with grocery stores to sell you food nearing its best by date at a massive discount. You buy it through the app and pick it up at the store. You save money, and you also help reduce food waste. It's a win-win. By planning your shopping trips around these markdown times, you can slash your grocery bill without changing what you eat. Finally, hack number 5. Learn to negotiate your recurring bills. This is the one most people are too scared to try, but it has one of the highest payoffs. I'm talking about your cable, internet, cell phone, and even your car insurance bills. These companies spend a lot of money to acquire you as a customer, and they really don't want to lose you. Here's the script. Once a year, about a month before your plan might renew, call their customer service line. Be polite, but firm. Say something like, "Hi, my bill has been creeping up, and I'm exploring other options. My friend just switched to X provider and is paying $30 less for the same service. I'd really prefer to stay with you guys, but I need a more competitive rate. Is there anything you can do for me?" They might offer a lower rate, a free upgrade, or a one-time credit. Worst case scenario, they say no and you've lost 10 minutes. Best case, you save hundreds of dollars a year for a single phone call. Be your own best advocate. It literally pays. So there you have it, 5 powerful, practical money-saving hacks for 2025. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Use price matching apps for everything. 2. Stack your cash back with portals and credit cards. 3. Conduct a ruthless quarterly subscription audit. 4. Time your grocery shopping to hit the markdown schedule. And 5. Negotiate your monthly bills. None of these are about deprivation. They're about being smarter with the money you're already spending. I challenge you to try just one of these hacks this week and see how much you save. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first, or if you have another amazing hack to share with the community. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you live your best financial life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.